Alright, we're gonna change the oxygen sensor. We're gonna need this special tool. It's 7/8. It has this hole right here, so the cable is not gonna be on the way. So first of all, we gotta take this intake out. It's 2 millimeters, one over here, one at the other side. I'm already had that loose, so we put this on the side. Okay, we got this, the oxygen sensor. It goes right here. So we press this. This is going to be really tight. We press this. I'm already had it loose. We press this. We disconnect the cable. All right, as soon as we disconnect the cable, we use the socket. We place it right there. Okay, I'm going to show you right here. You got the connection, so you put the oxygen sensor right there and you just disconnect it. All right, this is what we're going to do over there. Okay, so let me pause the video. All right, we place the socket, got a pry bar, put it right there, pry this stuff, loose it. This is the old one. You place the new one right here. Okay, tied it with the socket again. All right, connected. All right, perfect. That's it. Put this back and tie these bolts 10 millimeter again. That's all. That's everything that you need to do.